In this video, I will be showing you how to update Windows 10 or check for updates. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and type settings. We'll be having the settings from system. Open it, and here as you can see we are having Windows Update attention needed. If you don't get this option, here if you scroll down we'll be having update and security option. Select it, and here the first option is going to be Windows Update. Make sure that you are selecting this, and here as you can see I am having some important updates. If you want to update it right now, just click on restart now. If you want to schedule it, you can also do that. And also we are having some view optional updates. Select it, and here I am having some driver updates. Just choose the drivers which you want to update, and here if you scroll down, click on download and install. So that's totally up to you which one you want to select. So in a nutshell, just click on restart now for your system to get updated. And in case if you don't have any updates, you won't be having all these options. It will be show you no updates available. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.